Yo, I tell for now for your papa Edum TV CB. You can't say one of my papa Edmamo, determined so with fire and Lucy, our Edum TV. Then that year, and somebody in your Sunday tina pen natural TV now. You will never go high friend of Kumi. Said the window was home for yes, we did that and I wanted the number. You will never be a Rebecca. You might have Kumi Papa about Edum TV so. Akumi yema kwa baba Edum TV so. TV so.
Me jemo so na me so share Edum TV ene pempen so amde Kumase ene Asante Michael na me nyamo kese ba Edum TV.
Ye da wase. Ene waka dem say on my papa de mamo ene entertainment with fire. Wa wini mele nyamele. Wa wini be wo ba bi kon spiritual so na Edum TV wo na hwe. Le nyoma ye ba no. Ye boa ma Asante Michael empuntu ada de ne. Ye wo no ma bebrebe ne mu nipa etito to ho no mo fa Asante mem. But emwa wa say underground before nya and what was a baby yasano and I'm just now my husro. One for the soul to go in. Then you are going about Kubidin, your godfather is senior mine, your black penny. And then near also go to Yama Asante my youth now, or more musician industry was on Pino, Pino. Yatana young said no, and last one so as you come on for bitty boom, you come on for agony, you come on for some. No more say no, Asante my Masamai, you want a power talent, our man, our bonus so. Internet. Yaba kumi ho na edi wa kwa bobi de ameza Ghana ha ye nyina obi a o mesmo respect ma no but ya tenase atenase ahwehwem ahu se no owo mwa bi a was obo ankofo bi nso emma te be born the champion the reason why I was wo ye no ntimi nye edi na baba enche obi e bedi na ti wonya wotre akumi ye mo di se sia na se continue
se bokran and 10 times se sia na ke kan se sia ka mepe ene e be twen so ne e be kan ho asem so mepe. Because God is our witness. No question ever happen. Untimi kan unya honko. Untimi kan no question ade bi entro na we den. Nti ba bi adun de wo me kan no kwe e de che youth no e de che industry na yo na amakumase music asen. Eno tele ne yo asen.
Akumi mi nimu way back school time na na open bi a wo de no machi pa. From the time I be be I be doing no. You can't Ghana industry music industry na my pan of feeling.
Ghana music industry then I'm feeling pilot Kenya. But say obey software ye film dia anka be shuma make us say akode.
Obe the point be
me penance me pressure tawala sem be stombo asem but yo nyu bi wa me tie free akode wa mo me near eje mo ba anti akode obi am penance pa.
Na before say akode ye shatawale no stombo mo ba no. Wo say never penufo bi a great musicians na ye feel o mo pa no so mo fa Asante region ha dey do machi.
Enti na won say me dey kan ball Lord Kenya di. O ball Lord Kenya di wo Asante region and also say kuma also bo achiame. Ye no achiame kwame. Ne wa achiame Kofi o and achiame o. And e sa Lord Kenya so dey. Your comfort kwa dey o. Esi kuma ase no.
E cha do no body sa.
Ye was stars bi kuma ase a o ti o nka. O ti se kuma ase chiki. Oh. It's an essay on Kophobia, a time of Kenya raps obey and what's it said what to pack.
And crack.
And the Sunday money in our way.
In the service as now Bobo Mudir and no money no way.
It's all in our and on our matrons will be a medium machiache. Nanipa ni mua, onima sama bit na aka. Enti no sebasa wo kan semse no bit bia, onim de wo passion a wo manum, feelings a wo manum. So mama Kumase no ayera. Feelings ne emotion na e wo achi no. Ni nyina apede.
Odi akumi aba wansam no so. But the main reason why invite to studio where Edum TV they say, ni baba ko Ghana ha pa, I respect mo nuntum no. Obi aka say e bra pani Reggie Raston. Sina wa me chago father, e Reggie. Time a Reggie bo anyum, me won say na we bi a wo pene nyum ka data we so wo man.
Pa so na me de nam.
Na we tie Reggie. Na bra pene is no be no nim to tro bi kra.
So ye plan be.
Plan A. So that say. Na e ba ne say na say Reggie nyum no say we film wa shape no out every nyum nim. Ana Reggie see so no. Me who say from Asante Reggie how to call Odifland dey buy here obetena Ghana ha nyina no. Me who Asante Reggie na be to bia say Reggie see we dem akola ani. Me na fa music industry na wa ne wa be gina ba bia na say onya ba bia akora nyina akora me say we dey Reggie dey ba na amfa.
I better ask me question about your mommy. I know that I shall be before, but me to make us say before P. And I just said a personal attack. In common, I may be na ebe ka de kura wo se makuma se nim sa ayede epija
no kura
Reggie Ralston otan London kakra ansa na obekuma se asa kwa akra mintimi nka na won se bebrebe kakra bi na wo se meka na Reggie Ralston se afem osei krom president se yeka se osei krom president dia na chese bibie ye no wo
Asante Reggie bia
I was oye involved enti na se bi se no ye wo Asante no wo kuma se enti ye bibia ye wo ye na ye bia koye de ekotoa no se bibi to sina na be de ebekasa ti se o president e wo Kumase ye o se kom president Reggie Ralston na oni Kumase na otenkran na oba che se music ni e to kire wan na se music na to sini
no kre
it's
na se mi ntwa no a program a involve a music bia ba Asante Reggie bia Reggie involve no hu
omma Reggie Ralston ye obi a ye na so be bo obi se se Reggie Ralston be gidi kese e wo Ghana e wo se krom ha ne so and I want to know the brand, so one day or say president. It is a woman president to be one, also vice president, also ministers beyond the canal. To Reggie Ralston, Nipa Wabuano, or music industry, I must say Nipana by day about the pija, or more beside. And who Reggie now, a single musician be a guy, a man in Barbon, single musician, Reggie Ralston fun and sensible say, artists women are made a free at one time, and the Abba, my fan honker, send me the neighbor. Because I'm more bad intention, you want to say, made the Obama, Oba to me, and as I'll bet you many money. And I'm also, I want to do something. Because Reggie Berlin, I want you about 2 years and Nipa, a deal which the football will fans are made a day. And the air saw you, and a man, Reggie. And see, that's what be Bama have a son whom I don't know. Sir Reggie was so nice or Bebony Power, conscious or Bama to watch it. It's what Reggie to watch it to watch. I said, God bless and watch it. You TV, Reggie Ralston, air lunch and watch it. I off last one, you do good. A friend saying, Asante music president. Auto, let me say auto watching. Now, I remember. We don't Reggie pa. From way back London, I would buy your but then already to be free Asante Reggie Kumasa Kotranka. I don't know me point I mean to say. Your another artist be on man. Will be on man say or sorry or anything. Will be doing permanent so anything. What I do because any minister Sabi has a interview or say I'm on a friend. Our phones will say when you're the umbra. Case Cacanon day. But I'll try so beko and then what sako de anima won't sako de tonim papa it's Reggie Ralston change padodoa what in for or more fun and asia or what you may be in 2 minutes pass you won't as one by in a militant for militants and it's Reggie and KTV I did Reggie Ralston Nani or Yenim Guasiama Kumasi music and a person he send me a president of Kumasi Free so they say Reggie Ralston I am founder of Hip Life in 1994 now this had in a day I will be a founder now over the year, you know. They say founder no be year. I was say one and collab bi ba be shawase. Nikwa so okosho bi ase. E de na was akọ VIP. Obi a we founder o. A wo buy na VIP nye den. E buy wo buy na obra for aketa. E buy. Na de na afedi e wo wetin abe. So founder we you founder na finu so akọ obi so. Akosho bi ase because wetin ko VIP. E ko ka say so wona akọ head o. Because we call no more to do that. Till Reggie Ralston dey na we ma Kumasi boys. Enti akomi as no an kuma yedi register so especially president for music industry Kumasi. On my program bia wo Kumasi. On any meeting bia wo Kumasi say me be president no ma bon ko forwe and am meet me wo ekuo bi wo hono ma me yi akunu so na no we nya ne vice we nya ne secretary we nya ne bi say we ni wo kura na we nya na nsimufuo bi a wo no oni hwe na waachi na ne yere ne hwe so ma na waachi na woton eno ko na ade ade say awaachi ne de ewi aso ntimi nya adwuma ba ko e bia ono so no da bi wo duro no ono so woni mde beto ya awaachi Reggie Ralston 56 years old yeah and I will be a music industry match. Oh, yes, so what I say, or brave or comfort parliament for Reggie Ralston. Lord Kenya went to for Reggie Ralston. Also, young new artists beer or more for Reggie Ralston and I see because all keys being on a beer where artists now feel who's Reggie Ralston who waiting out calling you. You will be at the number. I didn't tell us a hammer, it's for Reggie Ralston, it's really artist baby or the friend say last two. Omo de omo buy na edem sa akode obia hete up to now omo na ye bo omudi but Reggie Ralston ni say ni pani bi wo na o just say ono so style na o the bag na music industry no obia ntimi nkopɛ no obi be o nje on say sa akode rap so the buy you dey craze bullshit and if free go be seen there they be sa akode wo so So what I say? Sir, I didn't tell us I couldn't be fast strong man. If you come as a quacker, say or no quack sign contract. But I all president, Reggie Stone or Diana, I also must say, and Colebo or Rains Blue on my Sankameko Crano, Sakana Meko Takana, also in your studio beer, many underground boys beer, on backway recording or do a best and I'm a master side, not the number one thing. So what's the mature? Maybe I'm dinner.
I can also ask them back home and come here for you crowd too. In the Asante Reggae musicians, no free up sign can. Omo studio bia or Asante Reggae has said, you will studio be. We will, in case when you go, you go to studio and you try. A
voice now on managing music, a papi mono 925 and a baby on studio. But Reggie was here. Only studio bia or Ghana has said, I had an underground artist be beating brothers, or Chame Kwame, why did you with the fee? So what about the Reggie was too young? The American American say only or second president in Yere. In so, near to Kuma etino, yet I general, because it's a time and I hate it. Small boy be a hit if you come as a pay. At was an Okotema. I didn't know Kina more hitting, or Macasson got anatema. I didn't know Convoke quite more hitting, or Macasson got anatema. Saying your father was not born, you mean quite a junction. Because I hate him. Also, we asked the Lord Kenya because they are artists behind the more than 18. But no meaning to Chama said, when I go for that, when I grandpapa. And the woman is a peasant that the man, godfather, no. Ever just so be and for so be as only dealing free the soap. And the regime of Tebacana for say, if you know, when yet a Santa Regina president, there will be many cash and say, may I come make cash and say, and to call them in our Twitter, you name me. Teguso. But I am to Panaya to China. How and I walk as a found personal as that is our case. Say now, you live to see near the other, but I said no crying to say because a Regia Boni Pavette one, Reggie Stone. And then you pay near the between but we are back open. Now we will be because a Reggie corner they may buy out. Now, me will be uncle Besson, a Palmer Reggie. But Okachi is able to watch it, Tiameto watch or watch it. Our flash, your toy be going and banswa, your back hotel, your toy watch it, your bar boy to watch it, your cobant my to watch it, your coni my to watch it, and how do you cry into me? Now, they are by UTV metal, so we're publishing it. Into now platform, now watch your home campaign. Okay. But because the Reggie was entrance, no case or the Encolebi trance, moment raps and cheme, Johanna, Sako because of a BB Bo, and of Fred artist Biase, will be unfunded the Embra. Say, Reggie was not trance or ye sa. Obenya artist Papa Bia or the mobile Montana, and yet come on and Colana Saberman in the outside, Apeja. Bedman was a Ghanaian also. And then I kept drinking my coffee bedman say, Kendrick Lamar, when he Ghanaian was in Chain Bedman. Oh, yeah, bro, Bedman, on your bro, J. Cole, and Jay-Z at the buy. Now, also, I also have fun and one. I couldn't say he's in the house on the entry when I am more about for nothing. There be a diabetes, be a general program, as entertainment with fire, and the Dubai, be a diabetes, Bermadi, Ulus Habitat, Abisudi. Now, me what that, a be a job. Over so compasso, Emma, you need to on Pema. Bema de odi be de ye baba fansa ayebieja eyempaso enkonya bieja bites wo ma bieja nya adwuma wo fie o office be bibia wo di agroko bia bieja bites e ma ran fi sa bieja de hand sanitizer bia be fa no eva clean hand sanitizer and na yare ya ba COVID-19 ya do so wo mayimu unim do wo bie benim do wo bie you should nose mask you should eva clean hand sanitizer e bieja de aba nti wo twa bieja no na hand sanitizer wo nsa na wo ko when the COVID-19 to kwanta amapai ya baba never to answer no so but once we dey age we entertain wo e wo fie akumi wo fire o se when Reggie Stone talk no e wo Twitter no and dey Reggie kese no ya ba answer no so de o kan ya ma Reggie e dey kese bae because Reggie do video kese o kese akumi dabi o ye godfather Kumasi music president onti minyesa e bia akumi kase ma ne hetie no ade den to kwa ne kese ni nyina bem ya baba ne ba to answer no so ye hwe ho sima aba sisi e mo ntwen yo na de mo de pa o e gya na ase ma so den Good afternoon. Never to enter dropping Ahonjo. Afa tenase. Never to sanitizer. Oh, any problem?
sanitizer ben no.
Ohima ya de akurom ha ya nipa ho adwuma da bia o ya giska sesama nipa eti abo ya ho bai eti aba clean hand sanitizer na abaya di atum no eno ne yusu so so hwe wo se de esitie
Sanitizer dey nice papa.
Anya sam keto akura mi akakra ka ho na mi amedia
Ever clean hand sanitizer. Wow. Because everybody yanu dia me kotoye nyame nko a me sa ho roye.
Sister ever clean hand sanitizer and the World Health Organization adia to mama FDA nso asan ase anya sam keto amese eku 99.9 gems eje adwuma ni nyina madam dia we ya na de bia me de horo me nsa de pepa mi stia ne ho a na me ho aye den ano na bom ho ba ma me ya madwuma tina se na me nkwasi na kakra de kura wa mia no usika de beti afiri yanko
Edum TV.
Ya yedi.
You are the fire samba bi mu Edum TV twa ya ho kakra bi na ye bae na hit na kumi wo na no wadin dodo ne o se ne man mbre man obesi man bobi eja ni bia fine akumi ya twa ho samba na ye twa nkomo no o ka asem bi wo se bradi no wo ko Twitter ama wo ka ese wo menim asema aka ya ma breja be so so a wo ko Twitter
man ka asem boni an chere Jurasto o ye me bra panyin a wo se maximum respect bi am de dey me de man ba na me chere se Matra Kumasi right now, Sisiano. Minty artist Pia as a washer the engine and say, and then the enemy artist Papa Day, Ewo Kumasi, me Kosu Kumasi. Because me better bank money back open, me home bank money bill. Strong man buy na or quiet ground when you Kumasi ni Bakatema. And then I boy releasing the album. I dear chin na Sako is releasing the album. BB Bo, na boy no so airline channel album more. Now it means almost any panel question answer. Sanki Kumasi niya, when you yem so person boy na ka won be release BB.
Batman no kra no. Enu ba say nka free hakra court na kweta boy.
Na bi so beti no be a
friend collaboration. Okay na akumi. Na o say Reggie dia Santo to fa
Odia bro to the stand say me the make catch Reggie Rastone say Sanka Kolebiti say strong man be deal Reggie Rastone come far. Reggie 56 years. Why are they Ghana music industry?
So man dey nene no ko
say Reggie Rastone ewa Kolebiti say strong man o Amerado o Kofi Molimo enyina wo Kumase o Kabu mo Ben Money mo o Freddy Blaze mo nyina wo Ghana music.
Na say dey boy nyina efo say krum.
O mo nyina boys we nyina efo say krum. Is o mo be my sponsor.
Omo was
the see can say a bit financial problem, but your opinion will be to do when you do it. Akobe. Macaulay 925 Macaulay recording the mommy. Baby mistakes, correct.
Now, when you saw a voice announcement among women who was here,
Adia one I shall say. Reggie Rastone is what is a coach. Adia many other Reggie Rastone is a mini niasa. But me chene say e dina da so na wo se wo ye Oseko president onyi free so chene say san kola ma bo mudin ba kokura ntimi mfa na se MP dia sa na Oseko president na wo ye no minim fa so dia ye den e wo so
akumi na so do aginya asabodi enyenne
onya asabodi na enyenne wonim se mamenya mfa to bi kiro se wo be ye panyini bi e wo adwuma mu bi na hwa akola bi na wo sanim dia na wo ni bi na nim se dia be ko retire wana de ba be hye position akola na wo so sa potential no e na be bo no so be hye ba bi a wo ye de wo hye no e de na Reggie Rastone aye dia boko
oni obi a o ga hye na se
oni obi a
enti wa free ma wa free
wa divert se oton wa chi ho na
the last time Reggie release new album
Reggie new album release on small boy be release your friend Seven Ham or a new artist.
Ya Santo Reggie na so
ya crabo.
Yes, Reggie do asini buke say o mafia Santo Reggie
odi abone. Enti sa ko de timi kan chere say Amarado mu sore mbra me freestyle chere no na onyi non selective for me track say BB Bo Abraham Kola we so wonu ma wo mu so mbetimi ya ma mo chance o mbetimi de nyom papa ide aba abontene na wo mo anka wo de wo kwa akra no kwa ye one studio play dey say underground artists bia mo kwa na mo kwa record na bom na meti akra say wo na makwa akotena
na me ntwa no nya so say Reggie Rastone ofiri Kumasi kwatena nkan no onim single person bia say or musician or Kumasi
say Reggie Rastone kasa onyin papa Reggie Rastone o kasa onim
so Kumasi ache
ofiri Kumasi ache no ye bo Kumasi fo onyo hwe ensema na start American no ene ne ahyase o because me feel Reggie Rastone so a me won crofo be 10 up to DJs musicians me no beba obo meka na asem meka
MP obo
obo otine nyame ne yen sente na we nya Ode for dance to church. But Reggie was told and person the church say only Osekum president in the day. In free so near one coin about boys no. I'm on my day about.
We were for I am na neko, I am na neko. You even see na evidence of us to somebody and can Edum TV. Say the new community abro no ye ntwa no so a ono Reggie be yet mamento. Yes, you by the entertainment with fire. Ye nya bro Reggie asama say krom de betu ye no say come on na say emla so say twani be hwefi. Na be for say kuntru hwan a ninchia never 56 good years obo anwonye ne omo se omo nya single person kura wo omayima omo efru na ase ye de eba so ata ase ewia se Reggie obo nipa nipa be yiwaye nipa be to ase auto but when come messages ban eba wo so no so auto phones our do melcom was say Reggie we still love you try and do something no say kuru messages no ban eba Facebook live ma mo Edum TV ne nyina ye aduma e na ma bebre e na eba na ye mre nti ye de besi ya na emre se Labi Edum melcom or the message aba was say Reggie love you loves you too much o say kuru we still waiting for you I love your awachi Reggie e bi hit awachi mi so do awachi enti e wi ase do even any perfect yes we so crazy na bo nti ye ntwa Edum TV so ni ye Edum besi ha na wo twesa na mbesa ate yenka so de akumika ye no wo se ye wo no bebre musicians ni DJs a ye be fire wo mo mayi mu twa ye e wo Edum TV so ene na wo twe obesa hye ye
Edum TV
ya ye